And volume is how much space the whole shape takes up. So let's start with the shape here. It's made up of 1 centimeter cubes. And I want to know how many cubes really make up the shape, because that's what volume is, how much space makes up the shape. Volume is found by multiplying the length by the width by the height. So looking at my shape, you can see that it's 4 along, it's 1 wide, and it's 4 high. So 4 multiplied by 1 means there are 4 on the bottom row, and 4 rows. 4 times 4 is 16, and the centimetre with a little mini 3 talks about centimetres cubed, and that's the unit we use for volume. So let's have a look at a new shape. What's the volume here? Well, we found the last one very easily by counting the cubes, but I can't see all the cubes, so I'm going to have to remember what the formula was. Length times width times height. So I've got 2 by 2 by 6. 2 2s are 4. 4 6s is 24. So the total shape is going to be 24 centimetres cubed. Even though I can't see all the cubes because some are hidden, I know they're there because I've used the formula. Sometimes volume is read on a scale rather than by counting cubes. So as you can see, we've got to try and work out what the scale is because the line, the blue water goes up to, isn't labelled. So I decide, let's have a look. Each line on my shape is represented by 100 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines means 400 milliliters. And they're the volume of the amount of things in the container is going to be 400 milliliters. Let's try a different one. Well, you can see that I've got 1,000 milliliters on the top line. So I'm going to have to work out the little lines. There are 10 little lines. So I have to work out that each of those little lines will represent 100 milliliters because 10 100 milliliters make 1,000 milliliters. And if I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, it's going to then be 600 milliliters. So a final quick check. What's the volume of the shape? Do you remember what the formula was? It was length times width times height. The length is 4, the width is 2, the height is 2. 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. And a reminder that volume is measured in meters or centimeters or kilometers that are cubed, the 3 dimension. So the area of the volume of the shape is 16 centimeters cubed. If you're ever getting stuck, you can always look through this video again just to check on how I'll work it out. But using the formula, you should be fine.